Let's walk through the process of building a recurring income stream online and doing it for free. To do that, let's think about what is recurring income. To do that, let's take a look at what are recurring payments. In the simplest terms, recurring payments, also known as subscription payments, automatic payments, or recurring billing, take place when customers authorize a merchant to charge them repeatedly for goods or services on a prearranged schedule, monthly, weekly, daily, or annually. This means that to earn a recurring income, we need to sell something where people are going to continue to make payments to us. Or another option is to do affiliate marketing and utilizing recurring affiliate programs such as things like subscription services or memberships. And there's some that you can see here: SEMrush, Aweber being an email marketing platform where you build email lists. You use that as a tool in your business to build email lists, to do follow-up. Specifically as an affiliate marketer, you put people on a list and then you tell them about products that solve a problem for them. But again, the idea, the concept here is a recurring affiliate program, again, where you earn income based upon the fact that you sold a subscription, or you let someone in your audience know, hey, this is a tool I use. This is how it works for me. This is how it can work for you. They sign up to the subscription to use the service. You get a cut of that. Every time they make a payment to Aweber, you get a percentage of that. That is a recurring income. Now, how do you do this for free? Well, if you look at the top websites over at SimilarWeb, you can see Google, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Those are all free platforms where you can put content, or you can create content and put that up on the internet and get it found. Content that solves a specific problem. Specifically, we're talking about affiliate marketing, putting out content that lets people know about a product that solves a specific problem, and then you add your affiliate link. So here on this list, you can see the top two here, Google and YouTube. Of course, YouTube is owned by Google. And this presents a great opportunity when we're talking about creating content to specifically earn a recurring income. And a recurring income that is not from affiliate marketing, but in this case is being part of the YouTube Partner Program. And you can see here estimated revenue. That estimated revenue is earned on this video since it was created. And you can see that it just continuously earns money for me in a recurring fashion, meaning I keep earning money from the content that I created way back in 2019. Now you dig into this and you think about, where does the traffic come from? How do people find out about this content so I can continue to earn money? And you can simply see here how viewers find this video since it was published. YouTube search, 82.2%. Then if you continue down here looking at these statistics, you'll see external sites or apps, and you will see Google search for 18.5%. Again, combining the power of me creating content and getting paid for it in a recurring fashion, meaning I continue to earn revenue as both Google and YouTube display that content when someone is looking for an answer that content solves. An answer to the problem that content solves or provides a solution to. And again, we can combine powers here like we are with YouTube and Google to get that recurring income. You can check out Warrior Plus. This is an affiliate marketplace where I sell affiliate products. Here you can see recurring payments, and then you can see combined earnings as well as the recurring, which means that I make $9,000 last year. And you can see here that was 2021. I made $9,000 in combined earnings, meaning selling, every time I sold an affiliate product, someone would make a payment, I would earn a commission, but then there were subscriptions or recurring payments, again, meaning that people were signing up to keep making payments to the vendor or to the person that sold that product that I was an affiliate for. Again, building this recurring income machine by simply creating this content, letting people know about a problem, utilizing the power of Google and YouTube as a free traffic source. And again, the idea, the concept here is to this question: how can I build a sustainable recurring income online and do it for free? The answer, as I showed you in this video, is simply yes. You just have to understand that you have to put in a little work to create a little bit of content and then let YouTube and Google take over and become the traffic source to get people over to your content and to see exactly how to create this traffic source and follow a simple proven blueprint. Check out the link in the description. It'll take you over and it'll show you exactly how you can do this, and you can get started right now today to do exactly what I showed you in this video, so you can get started and create a sustainable recurring income and do it online for free. And if you have any questions, of course, ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.